them.
No, Mommy.
Yes.
I'm going to show you the rest of the park. Okay?
Yeah, okay.
You're doing it again? I'll meet you at the bottom?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mommy, can you come up with me?
Sure, I'll stand near you. Go ahead.
I'm going to go up a big slide. I'm going to catch me, okay?
Okay. Sophia's going on the spinner. Careful, sweetie. Hang on very tight. Okay. Well, stay there for a second. Miriam wants me to make her a video. And Miriam went down the big slide.
I'm gonna try spinning on the spinner again.
Okay, good idea. Looks like there's different sizes of spinners, Miriam. There's some on the bottom too.
Wow, that's a good slide, Ellie.
I'm gonna stay on the one on the top.
That's pretty fun.
You can reach up to the...
Do it again?
I can't.
Okay.
Mom, lift me up on the top.
Wait, Sophia, let Miriam take her turn, then I will help you, okay?
She already had a turn. Well, I'm gonna get one more turn, then you can go, okay, Sophia? Oh. Okay, Sophia? Gonna take one more turn.
Leave it to you to find the spinners. Nice job.